The man, the myth, the legend, Mikey G. What's up, Mikey?
What's going on?
You been watching my YouTube videos?
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit, not really. He's watching tractor pull YouTube videos, which is cool. What's that shirt say? Full pull. Very nice. What's up, everybody? Ryan here. Got a leak search today on a train package unit, so I'm gonna grab some tools, head up on the roof, and get started. All right, guys, this is the train unit I'm working on. We're gonna dig in here and see if we can't find a leak. Well, guys, I think I found something here on the evaporator coil. I'm gonna get some soap bubbles to see if I can pinpoint this, but I didn't find anything on the rotolock fittings of the compressors. I didn't find anything on the condenser coil. So I moved on over here to the blower compartment, and of course, it's going crazy as soon as I hit on that one spot. Got my tick rate constant. Right there. I'm assuming it's a pretty decent leak just because of the way the tick goes way up, sustains. I'm gonna start at the bottom this time. I'm gonna go get some soap bubbles and see if we can't pinpoint this with soap bubbles. Well, I found multiple leaks on this evaporator. It's nice having good leak detectors. I'm glad I bought this H10, and I've had the AccuTrack for a while now, but haven't used it a whole lot. But what I found is on these solder joints, multiple ones, I've got very small micro leaks, and I've got at least 4 of them here. I confirmed it with the AccuTrack and also with soap bubbles. Let me see if I can find one here for you. Right there. It's kind of hard to see with the camera. Right there. Very small leak, and we've got a bunch of them. All right, anyway, guys, you can trust me on this. We've got about 5 very small micro leaks on these U-bends. And it appears that they're for both circuits. I was sent to do a leak search on circuit 1. But if I follow these, it appears both circuits are bad. So we're gonna go ahead and quote to replace this evaporator coil. Again, the leak detectors, boy, came in handy today. The H10 picked it right up, right off the bat. I zeroed in on at least 3, and then with the AccuTrack, I definitely picked it up. Again, we only have 110 pounds of standing pressure on R22, and I was able to determine that the leak is coming from the evaporator. So if you guys are in the market for a leak detector, this H10 Pro is a little expensive, but man, it saved me time already, just right off the bat. And the AccuTrack is pretty awesome too. And then of course there's always tried and true Big Blue. We're gonna finish up the work that we got to do here, and then we have a blower motor to replace right down the road. All right, guys, we're at the next job. We're gonna replace a blower motor and a bunch of contactors, and that's probably gonna finish it up for today. I know it's kind of a short one, but hey, we'll take that. All right, guys, this is what I'm doing, replacing a couple of contactors. Any of you new guys out there, maybe just started in the field, or you're thinking about getting into the HVAC field, this is a lot of the work. A lot of days is replacing filters, replacing contactors. So it's pretty easy stuff, but you know, it's not always exciting stuff that we're doing here. So basically, I just pull the contactor. I usually mount it, the new one, and then I just pull wire for wire, put them right back. That way you're not confused about what wires go where. But that's the way I do it. So I got about 6 contactors here to replace, all new blower belts. Mikey G's over there replacing a blower motor, and we're gonna bang it out. How we doing, Mike?
I was going to go to the bottom first, but
Not enough slack in the wire.
All right, guys, Mike got the motor replaced. We got the contactors swapped out. We're gonna cycle these units, make sure everything's operating properly, but I think we're gonna be in good shape. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for today. We had the leak search. We found multiple leaks on that evaporator coil. We're gonna order a new evaporator coil. We busted out the blower motor and all the contactors for these units. Everything's working good. I appreciate you watching. If you liked the video, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon. That'll notify you anytime I got a new video coming out. Hit like, leave me a comment. My email address is in the description. So again, from Butler, Pennsylvania, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.